What's up guys, Cool17 here, aka Aufinator, and today I'll be unboxing Rayman Origins, made by Ubisoft for the PS Vita. 7, Peggy 7, I'm so used to Peggy 18, you know. Here's the back. Region 2 for Europe. This covers 60 levels, that's amazing. There's a ghost mode, 4 different characters. There's actually 8, but they're the same people, but they're like different colors and stuff. Yeah, Rayman is back, obviously. So yes, this game is the console version, ported to the PlayStation Vita. So surprisingly, it has a manual. Unlike other PlayStation Vita games, don't have manuals on paper. They have them on the card. I'm not sure if this also has it on the card, but I would expect so, since it has the manual icon thing. Okay, so here's manual, not in color, but tells everything: the story, characters, controls, features, and whatever. Yeah, really cool. Just put that back, and here's the game card itself. Not sure if you can see this, but here it is. And here's the back. Yeah, so awesome. So, well, thanks for watching, guys. Peace the fuck out.